my dear third class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Second chapter, addition of numbers. In previous class already we started addition. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total or sum. Total or sum. Okay? T-O-T-A-L total. S-U-M sum. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. That means after number of the given number. 1 plus number or number plus 1, we get the after number. Next, when we add 0 to a number, the result does not change. We get the same number. Okay, next one. We add any 2 numbers or 3 numbers in any order, we get the same total. That property is called commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. Okay, first I am going to revise that. Next goes to once again recall addition of 2-digit numbers, addition of 3-digit numbers. Okay, come on. Examples. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number. That is going to single digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number. 1 to 9 are single digit numbers, 10 to 99 are 2-digit numbers. 2-digit means 2 places, 10's place, 1's place. Next 3-digit numbers, 100 to 999, 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Next 4-digit numbers. Those having 4 places, 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s. Come on, see the examples. 9 plus 1, 10. Very good. 24 plus 1, 24 after 25. Next, 365 plus 1, 366. Very good. 2753 plus 1. That means here we have to change 1's place number only. 3 plus 1. Remaining digits write as it is. Thousands number, hundreds number, tens number. We add 1's only. 3 plus 1, 4. 2753 plus 1, 2754. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number. Next number of the given number. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number after number of the given number. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number next number. Next number of 365 is 366. This is 4-digit number. 2753 plus 1, 2754. Next number of the given number. Another concept. When we add 0 to a number, the result is same. The total is same. 8 plus 0. Yes. Answer is 8 only. 45 plus 0 or 0 plus 45. Total is 45. 678 plus 0. What is the total? 678. Good. 4327 plus 0, 4327 only. When we add 0 to a number or number to 0, we get the same number. The total is same. The total does not change. Another one. We add the given numbers in any order, we get the same total. That is called commutative property in addition. 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4. Find the total. 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6, take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4, take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, here the numbers are changed their order. First number comes in the second place, second number comes in the first place. The answer is same. That means 4 plus 6 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to same answer. 4 added to 6 or 6 added plus 40 equal to how much? 4 tens and 5 tens. 4 tens and 5 tens. That means here you have to add only numbers 4 and 5. 9. Very good. That means 90. Here 5 and 4. 9. And put 0 in the ones place. Now 90. 40 plus 50 equal to 50 plus 40 equal to 90. This is called commutative property in addition. First number in the second place, second number in the first place. Both addends are same. We add in addition, the given numbers add the addition in the any order, we get the same total. No change in the answer. Another example. 6 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 6. Come on, find the total. 6 plus 2, 8. Very good. 8 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Now come. 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. 5 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, we add the numbers in any order, we get the same total. The property goes to commutative property. Equal to 3 plus 2 plus 6 equal to 11. Understood the concept? Okay. Now we are going to addition of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. I am going to recall. Okay? 48 plus 56. 37 plus 28 plus 64. Come on. Adding ones. Next go to tens place. First adding ones. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We get 2-digit number right side. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means write 1 above 4. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the total? 104. Here we added 2-digit numbers. Then we get the total 3-digit number. Now come to this addition. Ones place, tens place. Same process. Start addition from ones. Start from here. Take 7 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 right side. 9 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Right above 3. Now 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6. Here we are going to add 4 numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The total is 129. The total is 129. 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Next one. 3-digit numbers. 3-digit means that numbers having 3 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Examples. 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. 363 plus 204. Another one. Hundreds, tens, ones. 575 plus 401. Come on. Same process. Start from ones. Adding ones. 3 plus 4, 7. Very good. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Tens. 6 plus 0. Same number. Hundreds. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Write in the hundreds place. What is the total? 567. When we add 3-digit numbers, start from ones, adding ones, write in the ones place. Next, adding tens, write in the tens place. Then go to hundreds, adding hundreds numbers, write in the hundreds place. Now come to that. 575 plus 401. Adding ones, number plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 0, number plus 0, same number. Now adding hundreds, take 5 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 976. Another example. Again I am going to take 3-digit numbers. 275 plus 417. 275 plus 417. Here also adding ones. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 110, 2 ones. 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means right above 7. Forward to tens place. Now adding tens. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now adding hundreds. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the total? 692. Adding ones. If you get 2-digit number right side, ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. Adding tens, write in the tens place. Next go to hundreds place, adding hundreds and write in the hundreds place. This is the process of addition. Another example. Hundreds, tens, ones. 684 plus 176. Come on, very good. Start from ones. 4 plus 6, 10. Very good. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Right side. 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means right above 8. Now 8 plus 1 plus 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again we get 2-digit number in the tens place. Don't write here. If you are writing like this, your addition is wrong. Again we get 2-digit means right side. 6 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Why? Adding tens numbers, no. That's why carried number right in the hundreds place. That means above 6. Now adding hundreds. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Understood the concept? Adding ones. 2-digit number right side. 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now adding tens. Again we get 2-digit number right side. 6 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Here adding hundreds we get total 860. Another example. Hundreds, tens, ones. 596 plus 438. Again 3-digit numbers. Start from ones. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right side. Why? 2-digit number. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place, right above 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. Again 2 digit number, right side. 3 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Adding tens, no? That's why carry this number to hundreds place. That means right above 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. One more digit we got. How to read this number? 1034. 1034. Adding 3 digit number, we get total 4 digit number. No problem. Next, another example. Are you understood? You practice. By practicing, you get perfection in addition. Okay? Come on. 125 plus 303 plus 420. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 3 lines, 3 digit number, 3 lines. First number, second number, third number. Adding ones, take 5 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Right in the ones place. Now adding tens, 2 plus 2, very good, 4. Right in the tens place. Now adding hundreds, sorry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 848. Adding ones, right in the ones place. Next adding tens, right in the tens place. Next adding hundreds, right in the hundreds place. Another example. 354 plus 128 plus 403. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Adding ones. Start from ones place numbers. These are ones. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15. 15 should be right side. Why? It is a 2 digit number. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means right above 5. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Now adding hundreds. 3 plus 1, 4. Very good. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the total? 885. Adding ones, we get 2 digit number. Right side. Ones number right in the ones place. Carry forward tens number. Adding tens. Here we get 1 digit. That's why right there only. After that going to add hundreds. Another example. Are you follow me? Very good. 675 plus 148 plus 133. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay? Come on. Start from ones. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 13 after 14, 15, 16. Right side. 6 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place right above 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15. 15 right side. 5 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now 6 plus plus 1 9. The total is 956. First adding ones, we get 2-digit number. We right side, ones number right in the ones place, tens number carry forward to tens. Now adding tens, again we get 2-digit number. Right side, 5 right in the tens place, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds. The total is 956. These are going to 2-digit number without grouping, with grouping, and 3-digit number addition without grouping, with grouping. Okay. Now 4-digit numbers. What are 4-digit numbers? 1000 to 9999. Okay. Today I am going to show without grouping 4-digit numbers. 1000 is the first 4-digit number. 9999 is the last 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 9999. Come on, look at the examples. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 3245 plus 2301. 4-digit ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4-digit number addition also similar to 3-digit number addition. Okay. Start from ones. 5 plus 1, number plus 1. Next number of 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 0. Oh yes, 4. Next adding hundreds. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 5 right in the tens, hundreds place. Sorry. Now add thousands. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 right in the thousands place. The total is 5546. Okay. Another example. Again same places. 4050 plus 3100. See, simple additions. Start from ones. 0 plus 0, 0. Now adding tens. 5 plus 0, 5. Now adding hundreds. 0 plus 1, 1. Then adding thousands. 4 plus 3, 7. Very good. The total is 7150. Very good. Another example. Same columns. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6004 plus 4351. Here also start from ones. 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. 0 plus 5, 5. Hundreds. 0 plus 3, 3. Next I am going to change the number here, Nana. Sorry. Here I am going to write 5. Now 5004 first number. Now adding thousands. 5 plus 4. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9355. This is going to 4-digit number, 2 lines without grouping. Okay, all are going to single-digit numbers. After adding 4 plus 1, 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 3, 3, 5 plus 4, 9. Another example. 4752 plus 3142. Yes. Start from ones. Very good. 2 plus 2. Very good. 4. Now adding tens. 5 plus 4. 9. Very good. Now adding hundreds. 7 plus 1. 8. Right in the hundreds place. Now adding thousands. grouping. Another example. Now I am going to take 3-digit number. See, 3248 plus 2126. Come on, same process. Start from ones. Take 8 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a 2-digit number right side. When we add ones, we get 2-digit number right side. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. That means right above 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Very good. Now come to hundreds. 2 plus 1, 3. Now adding thousands. 3 plus 2, 5. What is the total? 5374. Here with regrouping in the ones. Okay? Tomorrow in the next class I am going to regrouping in tens, regrouping in hundreds also. Okay, Nana? Understood the concept? Okay, you take your rough notes and write addition and practice.